What's going on, guys? Justin with Z1 Off-Road. Today we're excited to announce our door speaker upgrade for your D41 Nissan Frontier crew cab. Now, what this allows you to do is replace the factory door speakers that come included with yours. These are nice and, you hear that chintzy sounding, paper foam, not the best drivers out there. What this will do is give you a clear sounding, crisp sound for your doors to when you turn up the volume, you're not going to get that distortion at the higher end. So we designed this to work around both the fender and the base package for your Nissan Frontier. And these assemblies are designed specifically to fit perfectly to clear these larger magnets, but without cutting, without any drilling or modifications to your factory door panel. These just pop right in. What this upgrade is also going to allow you to do is choose your rear setup. So in the rear of your truck, you're going to get this 6.5-inch speaker here. What we'll do is we'll upgrade you to our 6.5, and you can also choose either the coax, the way it sits now, or have the components. So this is the only modification you'll need, is you'll just drill a small hole in your door card to slide this in its bracket in place to allow you to bring those highs up closer to your ears to give you a more overall well-rounded sound. So at the heart of the Z1 audio speaker upgrade package is going to be the AudioControl PNW series drivers, right? These have been engineered for precision and power. It has a rigid poly micro coated cone and linear double rolled surrounds opposed to the plastic ones that you have in the factory ones. Black anodized voice coils to give you better heat management and dissipation, and edge-to-edge enhanced steel frames for strength and overall stability. Powering our door speakers is going to be our 5-channel 1100 watt amplifier. This delivers 600 watts to your subwoofer if you do have the sub upgraded package, but 125 watts to each one of your door speakers. All mounting to the custom Z1 audio amp bracket that goes underneath the seat in the factory location. Integrated wiring harnesses for that plug and play feel. We also have integrated crossovers that are plug and play and can only be wired in one direction. So you know the sound is gonna come specifically for that specific driver as well. So Z1 audio speaker upgrade is not only just engineered for your Frontier, but it's tuned for your ears and designed specifically for your daily drive or when you're on the trails. So shop now at z1offroad.com to improve the sound quality of your audio system.